During the certification phase, there is first identification of non-cardiac signals. A waveform appraisal is the first algorithm to analyze incoming signals from the detection phase, and this waveform appraisal acts as a filter and determines whether the signal is a certified bit, so cardiac in origin, or suspect bit, so non-cardiac in origin. This is here an example of noise on the tracing, and the device will recognize the noise as a very high frequency signal that crosses many times the baseline in a short amount of time. You can see here the differentiation between the certified rate and the non-certified rate in yellow. On the tracing, you will probably see here a marker N corresponding to the noise, and these signals will be discarded and not integrated in the measurement of the heart rate. During the certification phase, then, the idea will be to ensure an accurate measurement of the heart rate, and the remaining sense events will be passed through 4 certification algorithms to recognize and correct for R-wave double counting and T-wave oversensing. The uncertified oversense events will be labeled by a dot marker on the EGM. We will describe in another video the details of the functioning of these 4 algorithms, but very briefly, the device will analyze the morphology of the signals and will compare the morphology of the different signals to a reference templates, and if there are repetitive sequences of one signal corresponding to the reference and one difference, if you have repetitive sequences like that, this is in favor of an oversensing. The device will also search for repetitive sequences between 2 intervals. You can see here repetitive sequences between 1 short in red interval and 1 long in blue. Short, long, and this is also in favor of an oversensing. This algorithm evaluates 3 successive detections, and it discards the middle detection when the third and third complex are morphologically similar, whereas the middle complex has a different morphology.